Welcome guys and welcome to today's video. So today is just like a typical day in my life. I just want to vlog the whole of today and just show you guys how I basically live every single day. So first things first, I took a trade yesterday and I'm about to go check and see what the trade looks like. I'm already on my MT5. Alright, so let me turn around for you guys to see it. So guys, you guys can see what this trade looks like, exactly what this trade looks like. So I got into this trade yesterday. So basically, let me show you guys what this trade looks like on my MT5. Alright, so you guys can see it. You guys can see the trade right from this point right here all the way to this point. So I don't know, let me go back to, so basically I saw this trade as of during my live because I do something like a free trading class whereby I just teach people based on off of what I already know about trading. I normally sit down on my Telegram community completely free of charge every day from 9 p.m. because 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. It's not every day though, but for like this period it's been every day. So if you would like that, use the link in the description to join so you guys can learn. So I called this trade signal right there and I got in. I actually bought a funded account immediately after seeing this trade signal. I bought a funded account and this is the first trade I'm actually placing on that funded account. And yeah, this is what this one singular trade did for that funded account. Let me show you guys right here. Let me show you guys the screenshot right here. Let me show you. So guys, this is what this one single trade did for the account. $614 in profit. So yeah, I got into this account risking like $300 and something on this one single trade, because most times as a trader, when you like got into a certain stage in your trading, right, there's this, once you see a good setup, I'm not saying you practically know, but like you have this urge to like go in. And yeah, I went in on this trade and $600 and something, so 2%, and I'll be passing this account clean. So basically, when I called the signal yesterday, right, I wanted to take it on my live account, like not a profit, like a live money account, but I just said, what's the need, let me just take this on a profit account, right? So I took it, and yeah, you can see it clean 1 to 2 weeks to reward 2.8, and yeah, it's clean $300, and it was able to give me over $614 on this single trade. So yeah, glory be to God on this one. So guys, that's basically it on this particular trade. And yeah, like I said, I'll be showing you guys the whole day in my life. Later on today, I'll be going to the gym as usual, because this period I'm trying to build not just the body, not just the mind, but the body and everything all together. So yeah, basically I'll be going to the gym right after. I think that'll be the next clip from here right now. So yeah, let's head right straight into the next clip. Just landed the gym right now. Yeah, so it's time to work out again. Yeah, I tell you guys for free. My name is Superboy, and I don't know if that's how I love it. Like practically, this is how I love it. This is how I love it. So effective. I know my next move. Repeating the same process over and over and over again until results comes along. So yeah, let's go work out, guys.
Sometimes you love too hard, sometimes you go too far. I won't want you if you need me. Real things don't not come easy, no. Never been your average girl, so take time with me, take time. Maybe talk to me with some action. We could find a place to relax now. Cool down some more, cool down, easy, cool down some more, cool down. but you don't wanna fall too hard. You're falling, but you don't wanna fall apart. 'Cause it might break if I give you my heart and you hold on too hard. Cool down some more, cool now please, cool down some more, cool down love, cool down some more, cool now please, cool down some more, some more. Boy, you make it too hard for me to stay here. Boy, you're making it hard for me to be your love. Cool down, 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 cool down,
So I'll just end it, guys. To be honest, this is since I started working out, like seriously, today's one feels like the most intense. I swear down, it feels like the most intense. Damn, let's get our shoes out. Yeah.